Interesting day today as we see a lot of the markets up. Correlated, non-correlated markets are up as well. Let's take a look at bonds. Bonds are up 230 seconds. You see this rally in bonds. At the same time, gold and stocks are also rallying. Let's take a look at the stock index portfolio. See we're long in Cobra 3. Stocks are up. Let's take a look at gold. Gold is... You see an overnight trade here where gold got short, and now gold is rallying. And see, gold and stocks and bonds are all up. And so it's kind of it seems like almost a game of chicken. Which one is going to win that battle? And one of those sectors will roll over. Gold and bonds will roll over, or stock indexes will roll over. Which one will it be? And interesting. So Night Trader is in the middle of its sixth winner in a row, if it turns out to be a winner. If not, this is the fifth winner in a row, so it got in long here. Cobra 3 is in on the trade. You see the trade right here, up a little bit on Cobra 3 on this huge gap up. Ran into some selling support right down here. Couldn't break lower, so the market broke higher. And you see the tick pullbacks have very tight stops. They got stopped out this morning on those. 60-minute breakout is long in this area. Then you see adaptive moving averages long. It's up a little bit. So it almost feels like this market's going to roll over. It feels like they're dragging the stock market up against its own will. If you watch the tape, there's fast spikes down, and then boom, it solidifies, and then it gets kind of a dragging up type motion, dragging up type tape in the stock market. And so you have to make sure that you're not biased to the downside when you make those observations. My strategies are long. I prefer it to go up, but it just seems like it's being drug up against its will. And either way, you go with the trend. For whatever reason it is, the market ought to go down, but it goes up. As a trader, you trade what is. You trade the price action that's happening. A lot of our strategies are long. Nice trade on NQ momentum pullback. You got a short and a long trade right here today. Yesterday had some losses. It was very choppy top first trading day of the month. Just lots of rotation in the market, and then finally hit support and then gapped up. And now we've got this zigzag type market today. And not sure what's going to happen. High on the NASDAQ overnight was 77.30. I'm sure it's going for that number. Intraday, 77.50, 77.30. This might be some resistance levels. And that's the update for the trading intraday on the stock index portfolio. And a lot of the trades that we're seeing, a lot of the market action that we're seeing as far as correlations. Gold just continues to make highs. This is my research platform, and on another computer I have the real-time quotes, 1563.40, near highs in gold. So stocks have pulled off the highs, and so we'll see what happens going into the close. Should be interesting rest of the day to see who wins this battle of moving higher as bonds, gold, and stocks are higher. Which one will roll over first?